Hello, my dear friends. A very warm welcome to everyone to the Nostalgia Fishing channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you for being with us. We are going to show here something very interesting today. Yeah, the traditional fishing is what we are going to show today in this video. Here, we are at sea near the beautiful sea, who has always been our companion for the fishing throughout. Friends, not one, not two, but three fishes in a go. Yeah, this is the secret of traditional fishing. Here we are standing near to the sea and to get the fishing done. The mighty sea in its perfect glory. And today the waves seem very calm and quiet. And also the other reason for today is being the high tide. Yeah, as you can view over here, the water, you can see the sea water is going through, it's going towards a small, channel, a water channel it's going through. It's the flow of the water that is gushing in. And this tremendous flow, what you can see over here, is due to the high tide. So when there is a high tide, the sea water, the seabed, it rises up, and that causes the water to go through this outlet out here, what you can see over here. And this outlet where the water is going through, we are at the other end. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys like how this is coming out through. Now this has played an important factor over here for our fishing today. We are as I said, we are at the other end where this water is coming out, and I'm ready casted my rod for fishing. Yeah, now here on this fishing out over here, I have used my old fishing rod, and you can see a small thermocol, a piece of white thing that was being floating upstairs. Yeah, that was a thermocol ball piece that I've used over here. Now I have already caught two fishes over here. Now the fishes what we are getting today are the prachi fishes. Now on my bait I have put my usual shrimps attached to it, and now as you can see the water is flowing, the thermocol ball is floating, and there you see in one go we have got three fishes. Not one, not two, not three, yes, three fishes. Like what do you say, एक तीर से दो निशान. No, this is not दो निशान, एक तीर से तीन निशान मिले हैं हमें. Yes, friends, and all these are the prachi fishes what we have got. Yeah, in the previous videos also we have been showing prachi is a very tasty fish what we get out over there, and we have been successful in getting them throughout this, the fishing what we have done and conducted over here. So I am carefully placing them inside my bag what I have brought, and I am getting my bait rod hooked with shrimps so that I can get ready for my next catch over here. Friends, traditional fishing is something, that really carries a nostalgic memory. In childhood, mostly many of us must have tried this with our friends. Besides to a pond or a stream near to your house, when you go around with your friends, you have a craze, you have to say, come on, let's go for a fishing. And then your friends, the simple that during those days it would be just a stick and a string hanging around it, and doing this was the traditional fishing. Nowadays also, you can find this traditional fishing being done in many places. And see, in one go just I placed my rod over to the sea, and one prachi has got hooked over here. Today's day has been really marvelous, as and when so many, the catches of what we have been placing over to the sea, each and every catch has not been a successful one for us, but yes, it is very successful to us, because as I said, in one go at least 1, 2 or 3 fishes have got hooked over to the rod out over here. And as you know, it's an inspiration. In anything you do, when you are when when you're in your gardening, you're doing something gardening, and suddenly you plant a small seed, the sapling comes out, you get the buds out of it, the flowers bloom out of it. It makes you the joy what you get is immense, the pleasure is just immense. Same way, when I'm standing over here and I'm casting my rod, and one after the other I'm getting these fishes, the sheer joy what I have and what we are experiencing over here is just, it's just tremendous. There is no words to explain that. So that happiness is beyond words. So here again, like one after the other, we have been casting the rod, and one after the other the fishes are getting hooked onto it. And they are small ones, but yes, they are very good ones, small ones. And over the road you can see there are vehicles moving around it. Yeah. And this is a small basement where, as we showed in the very beginning, this space from where the sea water is coming out. And this particular spot is, we get many fishes during a high tide. During the high tide is when the water comes gushing out from there. Since, see here, again one after the other, fishes are being getting hooked, and we are getting them caught. This is really spellbound. No words to explain. I mean, जितना भी कहाँ जाएगा कम ही लगेगा हमें, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड उसके बारे में जितना भी बयान करो, ये खुशी बता नहीं सकते हैं. आई मीन देखिए, एक के साथ दो, एक रॉड में दो फिशेस एक साथ मिले हैं. एंड जैसे मैंने बताया, जितना भी आप ये खुशी के बारे में बोलो या बयान करो, इसकी कोई दरमिया है ही नहीं है. आई मीन, इट्स दैट गुड फीलिंग. One after the other, fishes are getting hooked with us. Yeah. And this is something different what we are trying, compared to what old fishing what we did. I mean, compared to the normal fishing in the other videos what we have done. We cast our rod and, and we wait for quite a long time, and then one fish gets hooked over it. But this is something different what we are getting. And we are feeling good doing this traditional fishing. And I'm thinking, like, my baits are there with me. I hope I don't run short of them, the number of fishes, and I have to increase my speed of doing it, because as I said, I have put 2 to 3 places, 3 or 4 places I'm hooking over with the shrimps onto the rod, so that let's see, maybe how many fishes get caught over to it. So yes, we are done with it. We have cast our rod again into the sea. Let's see what gets hooked this time. Yeah. And friends, yeah, see the flow of water coming in. Yeah, just placed in, if you have observed, hardly 2 to not even a minute, I mean less than a minute, a fish has got hooked to it. I mean, if if we were with our kids around, they would have jumped with joy seeing this, seeing after one after the other, they would have surely started clapping around. Now, me being here alone doing the fishing, I can't be doing both the things simultaneously. But then that's what, this joy of traditional fishing is really good. As we are sharing this video with you, the fishes are one after the other are getting hooked into it, and we are getting them caught. I mean, this is really good. This is beyond words to explain to it. How much ever you are telling it, it's really good. And not a single catch what we are putting, it's not that we are not getting it through, or yes, the fishes are being caught. Now I'm showing you my bag out over here, the number of fishes what we have caught. All are the prachi ones. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, all are the prachi ones what we have caught. There you go. Small tiny ones. Yeah, they are the good ones. Yes, they are. Friends, again we are casting our rod into the sea to see the glimpse of, how many more are caught. I mean, all through the catches what we have got today are the prachi ones, and no other fishes have been caught into this today. But yes, whatever we have got, it's very interesting, and that that this is something different. I mean, we have not done this before this over here, so they are really good. Friends, also one more thing you might be thinking, instead of putting a rod when so many fishes you are catching, there can be an idea that why don't you place a net over here? Maybe in one go you can get so many fishes together. But no friends, net can't be placed over here, because as you see here there are so many rocks, tiny rocks and all. The net will be completely torn away. That is the reason we cannot use the net out over here. Now woohoo, we have caught a lot of prachi fishes. Now we will show you all of this in the second part of this video too. That too is super interesting, friends. Now we also have another addition to it is, now this fish we are trying to make this in the coconut as a coconut fish curry, where we will be showing the recipe towards you, and making a coconut fish curry with the freshly caught fishes from the sea. That's taste is divine. And the recipe we'll share with the taste, yes, of course, when we are saying over to you, you will understand the taste is just super divine. And also lastly, to before we have a closure towards this, one thing we would like to say and share with all of you is, in case if anyone has still not subscribed to our channel, please dear friends, do that, so that you can watch more and more interesting videos. And once you subscribe, we will you will be getting intimations about the videos that come up from the Nostalgia channel. And also over the description there are more interesting fishing videos. You can click over that and you can watch. Friends, thank you very much. Each one of you have been very supportive to us. Your comments, and they are really truly inspiring to us, truly encouraging to us. This gives us more and more motivation to come up with more and more ideas, and how better we can place ourselves to you all, and in this journey of nostalgia, that you all are being part of us. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you for everything. God bless all. Thank you all.